I know it's a first occurrence of this kind here at Brednut Hill Primary. How are the children taking it? How are they managing?
Alright, so I went into her immediate class, and one student said, I miss Tasha. Right, students are, concerned about this fire and children dying. So a lot of them are now scared because there's so much uncertainty. They're wondering if this is going to happen to them and so on.
How would you describe Tashani though? What kind of child was she?
Very quiet, calm. Probably unassuming, but when I spoke to the janitor, who, when she heard, she was saying, "It's my little friend." So we recall at one stage she was not picked up, and so we eventually got to her father. When we got to the father in the night, because we weren't getting across to the mommy, got to the father, so she was with the janitor until the father came. So they developed a bond after that. So she said that if she comes in and did not see her to call to her, she said, "My friend, why you so pass me, so my friend?" And the last time she said, "My friend, why you didn't call to me?" And they hugged. That was probably last week. So you kind of see that personality, the type of coming out in that kind of scenario.
Right. I can understand that some of our classmates are really sad about the situation. Some are crying. How long, if you can put a time on it, do you think you will have to, be giving these children some form of counseling?
Well, we do have a guidance counselor here. So especially that class it will be an ongoing thing. The guidance counselor would meet and speak. And what we normally do is that if a child has lost a loved one, there is individual counseling with that child. So the guidance counselor would meet with them, counsel with them. And if the class teacher is aware that if at any point the child looks or feels sad, the child is asked to just say to the teacher, and they are allowed to leave and speak with the guidance counselor. So there's an ongoing support system that we have for students who are here.